Hi, I'm Dr. Manasi, and today we're going to dive into a topic that doesn't get a lot of attention: men's skincare. While skincare is gender neutral, meaning that men and women can use the same formulations, there are certain lifestyle and biological factors that can influence men's skin. By understanding these differences, we can better tailor men's routine to help maintain healthy and glowing skin. So, let's dive right in. So firstly, men have thicker skin. They have approximately 20 to 25% thicker skin due to higher collagen density. This makes their skin more resilient to wrinkles, but it can also make penetration of serums more difficult. So men should use a lightweight hydrating serum which can better penetrate their skin and give them long-lasting moisturization. Another important ingredient to add in their routine would be an exfoliant. Using an exfoliant will help to slough away any dead skin cells and help in better penetration of other skincare products. And while men do have a higher collagen density, UV rays can still degrade collagen over time. So using a broad spectrum sunscreen with a minimum of SPF 30 will help to protect their skin and maintain the skin structure. Men's skin also tends to be oilier. This is primarily due to testosterone, which stimulates the oil glands to secrete more oil. To manage this, men can start with a salicylic acid based cleanser. This will help to not only go deep into the pores but will also help to dissolve excess oil and clear out any impurities. After this, they can use a niacinamide serum which will help to regulate sebum production. Follow this up with a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or even aloe vera to add hydration without adding greasiness. And lastly, once a week, they can indulge in a clay mask with ingredients like bentonite clay or even kaolin clay, which will help to absorb any excess oil and reduce the shine and greasiness. Shaving-related irritation. Frequent shaving can lead to common problems like razor burns, bumps, and even ingrown hair. This is because the razor not only removes hair but also a layer of the skin. So start by prepping your skin. First cleanse and then follow it up with a soothing shaving cream with ingredients like aloe. This will not only help to provide lubrication but also prevent the razor from tugging at your hair and your skin. Ensure you're always using a sharp and clean razor and shaving in the direction of the hair. Dull razors can increase the chances of nicks and bumps, whereas shaving against the direction of the hair can lead to increased ingrown hair formation. After shaving, soothe your skin with an anti-inflammatory aftershave balm with ingredients like chamomile or even allantoin. For ingrown hair, consider adding in exfoliants like glycolic acid or lactic acid to gently exfoliate the skin and prevent hair from being trapped under the surface of the skin. Usage of multifunctional products. Many men prefer time-saving skincare with multiple ingredients targeting multiple concerns. So for them, they can use an exfoliating cleanser which will help to not only cleanse and exfoliate the skin but will also soften the hair and act as a pre-shaving prep. Additionally, they can also use moisturizing sunscreens. These will not only help to nourish the skin but will also protect it from harmful UV rays. Lastly, using actives-based moisturizers with ingredients like salicylic acid or retinol are another one-stop solution for further simplifying skincare routines. Focus on body care. Body care is often overlooked in these skincare discussions, but men are prone to back acne. Using body washes with ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide help to keep breakouts at bay. Men can also additionally use body exfoliating serums with ingredients like glycolic acid or salicylic acid, which will not only help to prevent new acne formation but also treat any dark spots left behind by the acne. Less frequent use of anti-aging products. Men will often delay starting any anti-aging products in their routine, but prevention is always better than treatment. Using ingredients like vitamin C and retinol will definitely help with anti-aging. Start by using a vitamin C serum in the morning after cleansing and remember to use sunscreen on top. And at night, using a retinol-based product will help in increasing the skin cell turnover and improve the elasticity of your skin and give you a decrease in the appearance of wrinkles. Men will often have oilier skin with larger pores due to testosterone. Testosterone stimulates the oil glands to secrete more oil, making men's skin more oily with larger pores to secrete that oil. Using a salicylic acid-based cleanser will not only help to exfoliate away any dead skin cells but will also help to dissolve excess oil that is clogging the skin's pores. Along with this, adding a niacinamide serum will help to regulate sebum production, and following it up with a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer with ingredients like hyaluronic acid will help to add in any hydration without adding greasiness. Lastly, men can also consider using a clay mask once in a week with ingredients like kaolin clay or bentonite to absorb any excess oil and decrease shine. So I hope you found these insights helpful in understanding the unique aspects of men's skincare. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SS Beauty. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments.